Hello everyone, I'm Komal Jain and I've completed my PGDM program with Finance Specialization from Universal Business School. After completing my entrance exams, I had a couple of options. But when I got to know about Universal Business School and the experiential learning that they provide, it really attracted me. Along with that, the various clubs that are part of Universal Business School is another exciting thing. And one of the key things which actually was very exciting for me because I wanted to choose finance as my specialization was the Thomson Reuters room. So I was aware that they provide us with the notional amount which will give me a real-time experience of trading, and that was the exciting thing for me. So when we started with the journey, it was online and I was a bit skeptical and scared that how we'll manage things and how we'll be able to develop that kind of relationship with the professors. But I must say that along with my program director, all the professors that I have had an opportunity to interact with were available all the time. They guided me throughout my journey and were able to achieve what all I had set in mind before joining Universal Business School. So I think the pedagogy here is the best part. Well, I was very clear from the starting that I want to choose finance as my specialization. And after coming to campus, I interacted with HOD Finance and he guided me and helped me to understand what all opportunities are there in this field, and which made it more clear for me in my head that I want to go with this specialization. And with his guidance and with the mentorship that he has provided me, I'm placed in the dream company that I already decided initially. So that's how my journey has been. It has been an amazing, whether it was online or offline, both of them were amazing for me. My professors, they have guided me at each and every part. With their guidance, I was able to publish research papers which I never thought I will be a part of. With their guidance, I was able to achieve throughout the journey. I was able to have different managerial positions from the very starting, and with the guidance of my program director, I received the scholarship where I went to Bulgaria to complete my one semester. I was there for 4.5 months and it was an amazing experience. I was exposed, I had an international exposure. Along with that, I was able to build network there. So I think without the guidance of my classmates, without the support of my classmates and with the guidance of my professors, I was able to achieve and I'm what I am right now. It has been an amazing experience. I was a bit scared at the starting because I've never been travel alone, and this was the first time I was traveling to a different country. But I must say that everyone there was really supportive. I was able to interact with students across different countries like from Germany, Yugoslavia, etc. So it was really amazing, and the faculties there, they also guided me throughout my journey. They also helped me not just with the academic part, but also they were so friendly that they provided with all the solution that was needed for me to carry out my life there. And from here, Professor Vijay Tandon was supporting and helping me throughout. He was keeping in touch to know that everything is going good and everything is fine. So it has been a really amazing journey from me there. I'm really grateful that I got this opportunity from Universal Business School. So Universal Business School have 19 clubs in total. They provide various experiences. We have sports club, we have environmental club, ethics CSR, ELC and so on. I was fortunate enough that I was part of two clubs, that is ELC and Enactus. ELC is a student-led corporation and it actually gave me the experience of how a corporate environment works, how the hierarchy works. So it actually gave me that kind of experience. And on the other hand, Enactus gave me an experience of being a social entrepreneur. Currently, I'm heading my team for Project Ikshana, and this has helped me to develop things from the scratch. And I'm definitely sure that this is going to help me when I've started my corporate life, and it is going to help me because here I was able to even guide my teammates, and I was also receiving commands from my superiors. So this is how things have worked. So this is how the Universal Business School has inculcated the experiential learning that it promised me at the beginning of my journey. It has been really good because UBS has made me ready for the placement way before it started. We had skill development programs wherein GDs, personal interviews, all were going on, which helped me to prepare for my actual placement process. And there are various opportunities which have came during my time, and I was lucky enough that I got into HDFC Bank, which was my dream company from day one. And with the help of the corporate relationship team and my mentor, I was able to crack it. So UBS provides with ample of opportunities. You just have to be ready and on your toes to grab those opportunities that have been waiting for you. Universal Business School believes in 3 E's, that is ethics, environment and experiential learning. And I can say this with certainty that it has provided with all 3. It has made sure that all these 3 elements are inculcated in all the students throughout the journey of 2 years. So yes, I will be recommending this institution to everyone who is going to ask for me, because one thing that is best about here that you get lot of opportunities. Now it depends on you how well you take advantage of all those opportunities, how well you take benefit of all the faculties and their experience, because we have industry experts on board. And with all these experiences that they bring on the plate, you are not just getting the knowledge about the theoretical part of the subject, but also the practical aspects of these subjects. So it has been a really great journey for me, and I know whosoever joins the UBS family, it will be really great for them as well. My journey with Universal Business School, it has been amazing. And apart from the academics, we were able to experience all different kind of activities. I celebrated all different festivals with the colleagues as well as with my professors. During these tough times also, when we were not allowed to go outside, it did not feel like that we were missing out on anything, because Universal Business School had made sure that we were able to do all the things. Apart from academic also, there were time where we could refresh. All the clubs, they used to conduct so many activities, and being part of all those activities along with all the academics was really refreshing. And along with that, the hostels, the friends that I have made during this journey, and the environment there we had lived, because it's a green business school, and the kind of environment that I have lived in outside the city has been really amazing. So overall, my experience with Universal Business School had been really amazing, and I'm really grateful and thankful to our chairman, my program director, my mentors and all the faculties for helping me and guiding me throughout my journey, and for helping me in achieving what I had thought, what I wanted after my MBA. So thank you so much to everyone for this.